If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyi Chykeke Ezanumba the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyi Chykeke. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.
Okay. Okay.
Even most people that come from
yes, okay. Outside Anambra.
Outside the Anambra State. They know me as Papage. Anywhere you call my name.
Papage. Papage, they know. Okay.
So, all you do,
and the address Ebono, okay, case and what on Ebon, get up. On your choice shot on, get a shot on easily.
Okay, yeah, whereby my get up, front line. Basically, this blue head center.
Okay.
So when you know Anana front line, the head center.
That's just it. Okay. The number of the shop and all of that, because it is necessary that one would know. Okay, no, also number of shop can I just HB23. Take you through the products on a daily on. Kowalai extensively, like most of the products, if Obugas about and all of that.
Okay, we have a lot of things here. A lot. Anything you can think of, as long as jewelry is concerned.
Okay.
Call it necklaces. These are necklaces for both for men and the women. All these are hand chains. All these are earrings. These are hand chains for ladies. Earrings, a lot. These are bangles. These are bangles. These are hand chains. These are necklaces. So check around. All these things. These are necklaces. These are earrings. A lot. Anyone you can think of the size and the quality of the good quality.
Okay. So just necklace and there's nothing else to it, like necklace, bangles.
Anything you can think of. Jewelry, rings, wedding rings.
Okay.
Yeah. That's what you can think of. These are wedding rings.
Okay.
These are earrings. These are rings. Engagement rings. Assorted. These are earrings and pendants. Of all kinds.
So, at what level do you operate, retail or wholesale?
At any level.
Okay, at any level.
At any level.
Okay.
By the grace of God.
You can also supply.
Yes, by the grace of God, we started this scratch.
Okay.
But today, by the grace of God, we can import it.
Okay.
We import.
Okay.
Yes, by the grace of God, God has taken us to a
higher level. Okay, so phone numbers, your contacts, anything apart from phone number, email addresses, anything that you can be contacted on. So please give your phone number, sir.
My phone number is 080.
Okay.
332.
Yeah.
14.
Okay. Phone number. Okay. And what about maybe social media handles and all of that? Do you have any?
For now.
Okay.
We don't want to disclose this.
All those ones. Okay, no problem. All right. So thank you so much for speaking with us. Remind us of your names again, sir.
My name is Chykeke.
Okay.
Yeah, Chykeke Enterprises QRS.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Chykeke as our number the first. Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Chykeke. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.